I'll request everyone, please switch on your videos so that I can see you. Okay, sorry. So, so why people have neck pain? So the first reason is they have a poor posture, not sitting upright, leaning forward and sitting, using two, even while sleeping, they might use two pillow, a wrong pillow. They might be using. Then the other is long sitting. Now working from home has been a task. There might be a not a desk to work. They would be keeping the laptop on the lap and working out. So the angle also matter a lot. So wrong posture, wrong setting. There might be some injury. There might be the people who ride a bike or two wheeler generally face this major problem. While they ride, there might be a pothole. There might be a sudden jerk. So they end up injuring their neck and lower back. There might be some diseases like arthritis, herniated disc, osteoporosis, spondylosis. So So to overcome this, you need to day in, day out, do some yoga asanas and mobility. Okay. So basically, now the neck contains a vertebral column. Okay. It is seven. It's a seven disc. One by one, it is attached. And within that disc, the cervical cord goes and various nerves through the cervical cord goes to the various part of the body. Okay. Now, so there are various muscles. Some muscles would be going from here, from the occipital to the clavicle bone. Some would be going from here to the uh, strap muscle. So I'll be showing you simply the muscles. अगर आप एक बार muscle समझ गए, muscle anatomy, so it would be very easier. I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. If you notice, this is one of the biggest muscle. If you strengthen this muscle, there would be hardly any injury. You need to first strengthen the trapezius. Okay, this part. Then what comes below that? You need to understand this. This also support your cervical. This part. Okay. This is a major rhomboid and minor rhomboid. Just forget the name. Just visualize what all muscles are supporting. Then it comes this part. If you notice, start from the lower head and it goes till the trapezius. So even this muscle is important. This will help to extend the neck, rotate the neck, flex the neck. Okay. And there, if you notice, there are not one muscle, but there are many other muscles. Even this will help to the side, opposite side of the neck. Then there is a front part of the neck. So there are not one muscle. There are many. If you notice, see, longissimus, major. There are many other. So you need to strengthen this. You need to do mobility exercise for this. You're getting it. So it is very important. First, you understand ये कौन से muscles है. Then you work out. It becomes very easier. Okay. Now, first of all, if you have pain, if you have pain at the neck, either side. Some people had on right side, left side, or even they have at both the side. And the pain travels throughout the. अगर आपको यहाँ पे पेन रहेगा, slowly and gradually it travels till your shoulder, slowly and gradually it travels to the other side. If many will notice, पेन है ना slowly and gradually move होता रहता है. So कैसे इसे कंट्रोल करें? Okay, first of all, take your thumb. अगर आपका neck injured है, first of all, you a doctor or physiotherapist that to take care. Okay. Then if the pain is not major, you can do the home remedy as well. Okay. The first one is how to do the self massage. Take a thumb, take a thumb, and from here, if you notice, from here, you need to slide from this part, from this bony part, slide it till where the pain it is, slide it till down. Okay, you'll feel much better. ये bony part पे आप जब भी करोगे, you'll always feel better. Give me thumbs up if you are enjoying this part. Perfect. So do this regularly. Okay, even if there is pain or not, you need to know how to do the self massage. Okay, if you are unable to use your your thumb, you can use a. There are various types of massage ball. This is one type. You get this on Amazon or Decathlon. You can use the tennis ball also. Just hold the ball and rotate. Simply rotate. I do this very often. Weekly, I do it twice or thrice. You just need to rotate. Wherever the pain is, simply do it yourself or ask some of the family member to do it for you. Okay, you simply need to rotate. Okay, then the other part. If the pain is at this part, hold this knuckle, two knuckles, and catch hold that muscle and pull it down. First, hold it tight, then pull it down. There might be a situation where red हो जाएगा, चलेगा. Nothing to worry. Same way the other side, knuckle it, hold it tightly, then pull it down. Then you can use your this palm to press it. Use your palm, interlock, you press. Can you see this? What I'm doing? I'm just interlocking my finger and with the palm, lower palm, I'm pressing it. Okay. You need to do this activity only and only if the pain is not major. If the pain, you can't bear anything, you need to rest. Believe me, you just need to rest. Your body is giving an indication that you need to rest. Okay, this part is clear. Give me thumbs up. The massage part is clear. So please give me thumbs up or thumbs down so that I can repeat it as well. Okay. So the massage part is clear. Okay. Now, posture. How to how to know whether your posture is right or wrong. Okay. So this we should teach our children from the start only, from the beginning of their life. Okay. Generally, if you notice, most of the children lean like this and sit. There is a gap between the lower back. There is a gap. Their posture. They are always sitting in the sofa or couch, leaning like this. So this is a very wrong form. Okay. The correct form is what? Chest raised and shoulder blade behind. Yes, this might be difficult because आपने एक दिन में ये posture खराब नहीं किया है. आपने ये over the period posture खराब किया है. If you notice, people always lean forward and sit. This is a very wrong posture. We have not guided proper. So we should know. ये consciously करना पड़ेगा. If you do this thing 2 weeks regularly, believe me, your posture will slowly and gradually improve. For old people, it might be difficult, but it is not impossible. Okay, simply raise your chest. Notice at my back is bit curved. As I raise my chest upright, what is happening to my back? If you notice, my back is getting straight. Can you notice this? Give me thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, yeah. So this thing you need to realize. अगर आपको back straight करना है, तो आपको चेस्ट को ऊपर रखना होगा, तभी जाके आपका बैक स्ट्रेट होएगा. एंड इफ यू वांट टू ऐड ऑन, सिंपली your shoulder blade take it backward, so it become much more better. And your ear lobes should be in the line of your shoulder. This is the correct posture of sitting. This might be difficult initially, this might be difficult, believe me. ये अगर if if I was doing 2 years 3 years before, my back used to hurt like this. I cannot, मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 minutes तक होल्ड कर पाता था, उससे ज्यादा मैं होल्ड ही नहीं कर पाता था. So over the period, practice have improved me a lot. So consciously you need to continuously tell your brain, yes, मुझे straight बैठना है, मुझे मेरा back posture सुधारना है. So you have to sit this way. Come on everyone, show it to me. Give me a side view and show it. Everyone, give me a side view. I can check whether you are doing it perfectly or not. I'll request other, please switch on your videos. Aarti, please switch on your videos. Madhav, yeah, come on, start doing it. Curve it, raise your chest up. Curve it, raise your chest up. Perfect. Curve, raise your chest up. Yeah, perfect. And take your shoulder blade behind. You might feel pain at the pecs also. Generally क्या होता है, लोगों को लगता है their back is stiff, their upper back is stiff, but generally लोगों का chest stiff होता है due to their stiffness at the pecs. They generally rotate internally, so we have to rotate outward. You got this? Perfect. Okay. Now people have a wrong sleeping pattern. Okay, they'll use 2 pillow, 3 pillow. They'll sleep on the abdomen. There is a correct way of sleeping also. I'll show it to you. Please adjust your cameras. Give me thumbs up if you all can see me. Okay. So people generally take 2 pillow to sleep. Okay. See, if you notice, my neck is bending towards the right side. So slowly and gradually it create pressure. If I'm sleeping on my left side, it will create pressure on the left side. This is the wrong form. Okay. Even here, if you notice, I'm tilting forward. My chin is going towards the chest. So this is the wrong, this is also a wrong form. The same way the other side. This is also a wrong form. Sleep on the abdomen. Sleeping at the abdomen, it is very a bad thing. Why? It gives pressure on your heart, pressure on your stomach. When you rest, there is resting metabolism happening. So you are damaging that slowly and gradually. You will never feel that. Okay. How to sleep? Initially, you need to take only 1 pillow. If you notice, with 1 pillow, my neck posture is straight. Can you see? Give me thumbs up or thumbs down. Can you see? My neck posture is perfect. Even while I sleep on my back in supine position, even this is straight. This is very relaxing. Okay. Never sleep on your abdomen. Some people have a habit of sleeping and they can't sleep without lying down on your abdomen. So this is very bad. It's okay for 15-20 minutes initially, but you need to sleep either left side or right side. Okay. Or in a supine position. Okay. And always get into one side and lie down. If you directly lie down, you're creating pressure on your lower back and neck. See, do this. See, go slowly, you will realize we are creating pressure on our lower back specifically and our neck muscle. So always get into one side and lie down. Okay. Now you should know which pillow to use. This is the ortho pillow. It takes the shape of your neck, shape of your body. Okay. And you can place the pillow on below your leg also. You can place one pillow, two pillow. It's okay. The higher the leg is, the better the blood flow at the lower region would. You got this point clear? How to sleep? Shall we move to the other part? Come on, let's move to the other part. Let me adjust my camera. Okay. Now there is a range of motion. What does the range of motion indicate? It's simply the movement of your neck muscle. आपका neck कहाँ तक जा सकता है? It's simply that. Range of motion means that. So when you bend forward, it is known as flexion. Okay. When you bend backward, it is known as extension. Okay. Forward is flexion, backward is extension, and this is also lateral flexion. Lateral flexion. ओके. जब आप बैकवर्ड फ्लेक्स करते हो तो आपका डिस्क छोटा हो जाता है, जो कॉलम है वो नेक का छोटा हो जाता है, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सेंड एक्सटेंशन. अब जब बेंड करते हो या साइड लेटरल जाते हो वो एक्सटेंड होता है. ओके. ओके. नाउ we'll start with the basic movement. First of all, first point has to be always clear. If you have a severe pain, first let the pain get minimized, then only you should start workout. Okay. Then only you should do yoga sir, and mobility training. Okay. We are starting with the mobility training. You can start. Sit on the chair. It is better to sit on the chair and do it. Okay. Now first we'll do the side twisting. Okay. Simply take your head towards the right, look at your shoulder, then come back slowly to the center, then go towards the left. Slowly, do it very slowly, and do make sure your chin is parallel, not leaning bend downward or upward. Okay. Last one, three. Perfect. Even while making this movement, you will realize अगर आपको जहां पे भी पेन होता है, सपोज मैं थोड़ा 45 डिग्री में गया, हाँ आई फील दैट यहाँ पे मेरा पेन है. ओके. सो आई विल हॉल्ट हियर, देन आई विल अगेन गो टू द अदर साइड. सो जहाँ पे भी आपको पेन होगा, दैट इज एन इंडिकेशन, वहां पे आपका रेंज ऑफ मोशन हॉल्ट होना चाहिए. दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर एवरीवन? आपको जहाँ पे भी पेन हो रहा है, यू नीड टू हॉल्ट योरसेल्फ. ओके. दिस पॉइंट हैज टू बी वेरी क्लियर. अगर आप और स्ट्रेच करने जाओगे, यू विल इंक्रीज योर इंजरी. ओके. सो यू नीड टू नो कहाँ तक जाना है, आपका रेंज ऑफ मोशन कहाँ तक होना चाहिए व्हेन देयर इज अ पेन. ओके. नाउ अप एंड डाउन. While while moving up and down your head, your shoulder and your back has to be upright. Your shoulder and back should not move at all. Okay. Sit. If you're sitting on the chair, make sure you take the support. Okay. Now take your head up and backward bend. Slowly come forward. If you have a neck pain, forward bend is contraindication. You cannot do forward bend. Slowly come up. Do this movement thrice. Again come back. Third time. Perfect. Okay. This was right and left, up and down. Now side lateral. How to do side lateral? You would be touching your ear to the, taking the ear towards the shoulder. Okay. Sit upright. Slowly take your head towards your right side. Slowly, very slowly. Slowly come back. There is no race. The slowly again come up. Go towards the right. You should feel this pleasurable movement. Unless and until you enjoy, you won't feel anything. I can feel. हमने जो एनाटॉमी देखा था मसल्स का, आई कैन फील समथिंग इज हैपनिंग विद दैट मसल्स. रिलैक्स. ओके. वेरी स्लो मूवमेंट यू हैव टू डू, वेरी स्लो. जितना आप स्लो कर सकते हो आप उतना स्लो कीजिए. ओके. प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर वीडियो. आई वांट टू सी यू वेदर यू आर डूइंग इट परफेक्टली और नॉट. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट. नाउ रोटेशन, मेकिंग अ सर्कल. Shoulder not moving, back not moving, it is still. Just move your neck muscle. Kick, rotate clockwise very slowly and gently. You can do with your closed eyes always. Take it to the extreme corners. अगर आपका जहां पे भी पेन होगा वो रिवर्स. दैट मीन्स आपका रेंज ऑफ मोशन वहां तक ही है. Do this movement 3 times. Two. Feel what is happening within your neck. 3. Now reverse. One completed. 2. 3. Perfect. तो हमारा नेक का मूवमेंट यही सब डायरेक्शन में होता है, विच कंप्लीट मेजर पार्ट ऑफ इट. हमें बस यही करना है. अब अगर अपने नेक का मोबिलिटी अगर आपको इम्प्रूव करना है, रेंज ऑफ मोशन इम्प्रूव करना है, यू नीड टू डू दिस. ओके. नाउ नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट वी कैन डू. बस यही होता है या और भी कुछ चीज होता है? यस, देयर आर मोर मेनी. जो आज मैं सिखा रहा हूँ उससे भी कहीं ज्यादा है. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, टक इन योर चिन. I'll show it in a side view. Tuck in your chin. Now go towards your right and left. You'll feel there is some stiffness. While making the neck stiff, we are doing it. So slowly and gradually, this will improve your flexibility. The chin is tucked and you are going towards your right and left. The same movement which we have done. Right. Okay. Now tuck in again, up and down. इसमें थोड़ा रेंज ऑफ मोशन बैकवर्ड बेंडिंग का थोड़ा कम होगा because we our chin is tucked. In this, you enjoy the backward bend while tucking the chin. Simply imagine, जब हम छोटे थे तो गुस्सा होते थे कैसे नेक को, अपने नेक मसल को स्ट्रेच कर लेते थे. That way you have to do it. Tightening the neck muscle and doing it so that आपका flexibility more improve हो. Okay. Now tuck in again. Now side lateral. Tuck. The chin is tucked. You will feel while doing the chin tuck and doing the range of motion, the you can feel your muscles more because आप कोई भी चीज को टाइट करो और उसे खींचो तो उसका महसूस ज्यादा होता है. Now rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Tuck in the chin. The backward bend would have more force. Reverse. The chin is tucked. The slower you do, the more slow you do, the more better it would get. Relax. Okay. Now next, we are going to the next part. Okay. Now holding it. Isometric movement. What does the isometric movement means? Isometric means holding static movement. What we did now, it's a dynamic movement. There are two types of movement. One, it is static, where we hold it for few seconds, and there is dynamic, where we move continuously move it. Okay. Now we are going to the next part with this static movement. Okay. Now take your head towards the left side. Come on, everyone. Now with left hand, if we are going to the left hand, place it on the right. Now pull it down. Left hand को pull down करो. You'll get a stretch on your right side, but do it as per the range of motion. If you feel pain, you need to relax. Okay. Now the other. हमने अभी क्या किया? लेफ्ट हैंड को प्रेशर किया नीचे. अभी आपको हेड को लेफ्ट साइड करते हुए टिल्टिंग लेफ्ट, आपको प्रेशर करना राइट साइड. मतलब प्रेशर, गिव प्रेशर टू द दिस डायरेक्शन. हेड से प्रेशर दो दिस डायरेक्शन, so that your neck muscle should get more stretch. You got this point clear? Give me thumbs up so that I can understand. अच्छा, Harish didn't get it. So हमने क्या किया? अभी नेक को ऐसे किया और पुल डाउन किया. Now here what we are doing, we are holding the hand there only, and we are giving pressure head to the right side. मतलब मैं इस तरफ जाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ और मेरा हाथ वहाँ ही है. My hands are there only, and if I'm giving pressure, see, now you got this, Harish? So this way, give pressure, hold it, 1 2 3 4 5. तो both side movement हो गया. हेड का मूवमेंट डाउनवर्ड भी हो गया, हेड का मूवमेंट राइटवर्ड भी हो गया, बट वी आर नॉट एक्चुअली मूविंग राइट. Why? Because the hand is in between. You got this point clear? Now to the right side. Come on. Tilt towards the right. Right hand, place it on the left. Pull your head down. Thisward direction. Keep breathing from your nose. You'll feel pressure on your left side. When you take head towards right. Now, give pressure. Try to take your head towards the left side. Take it to the center. But you won't be able to do it because hands are in between. So this create more pressure. Below your, yeah. Okay. Movement. Initially, we'll do a movement. Take your elbow closer and bend forward. Come back. Exhale and go downward. Inhale and come back. Like we are flying. Exhale and go back downward. Inhale and come back. Okay. Now, same way, interlock your finger and your able to go because your hands are in between. Give pressure. Try to take your head backward. You all are getting this pressure wala point. Your your hands are coming in between. Give me thumbs up. You are getting this point. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Now हम फॉरवर्ड आएंगे तो सीधा नेक आगे चला जाएगा. So place it at the forehead and give pressure forward bend. Come on, Vedant, do it. So this point is clear. Making the movement and giving the iso both sides. This one more thing. Make a fist, place it on your chin, backward bend. Slowly come down. Your neck might pain. Those whoever is doing for the first time, you might feel a little tingling or pain because that वो stiffness soften हो रहा है. That's why the pain would be there. Okay? Is this point clear? हमने कहाँ से start किया था? We did the movement, rotation right left, फिर hold करके किया, फिर hands का movement isometric किया. Okay? Now next. फिर chin tuck in भी किया. Chin tuck in कैसे करके और कितना how much pressure we are creating it. So even that we did. Now next. Okay? Next, if you notice, the neck pain होता है, the pain goes till down. आपका shoulder और आपका थोड़ा आपको करना है और आपका थोड़ा अपर बैक टू 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, make your hands parallel, tap your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now there is a rotator cuff movement. Okay, आपको ये पार्ट को भी mobilize करना है. How we do that? Make your hands parallel like this. Make a fist of your hand. Okay, now slowly your elbow till shoulder would be there only. It won't be moving up and down. It is there only. Okay, slowly and gradually take your hands forward. Those who have a frozen shoulder, they might not be able to do it, or there might be a pain. The older people might feel pain, huh? Why? Relax. Okay, you can make a note of it, what all things we are doing, so that you can practice in the future. Okay, now next, left hand up, right hand down. You need to hook it. Hook. Now take your left hand back. Try to make your body straight, neck straight. Don't tilt right or left. Your head is straight. You are simply pulling your left hand with the strength of your right hand. Pull it down. आपका shoulder, traps muscle पूरा stretch हो जाएगा वो. Keep breathing from your nose. Slowly come back. Now reverse. Now right hand up, left hand down. Right hand back. Pull the right hand with the strength of your left hand. Perfect. Others, please switch on your video so that I can see you. I can rectify you whether you are doing it perfectly or not. Perfect. Slowly come back. Now, how to increase the shoulder strength and how to stretch the straps. Okay. Simply hook it, lean forward. Don't make a curve. Okay. Hook it, lean forward thoda, and pull it to the opposite side. You will feel the something is happening on your shoulder. Okay, lean forward. Do not arch your back. Okay, do not make a curve. Simply arch your back, lean forward, and stretch. You're feeling it. Something is happening on your shoulder. So this create a impact. हम अब उंगलीज को stretch कर रहे हैं, अपने fingers को stretch कर रहे हैं, and something is happening. So if you notice, all of our body muscles are also connected. Even the neck muscle is connected to the lower back. Okay, this part is clear. Okay, now we move to the other part. Okay, जैसे हमने कहा था, neck pain due to shoulder भी होता है और due to traps muscles भी होता है. Neck pain यहाँ ही नहीं होता है, it travels still down. So we have to mobilize the side part of the muscles also. Now we would be rotating the shoulder. Inhale and go upward. Exhale and go downward. Inhale and go upward. Exhale and go downward. Do this 3 times. Now reverse. Inhale and go upward. Downward. Exhale. You got this point clear? Okay. Now we would be doing elevation and depression. How to do elevation? Simply, you can stand or you sit in cross neck position. Simply take your shoulder without moving your neck muscle up. You will feel pressure on your neck. Slowly pull it down. Do this movement 5 times. Pull it up. Hold for 5 seconds. Pull it down. Pull it up. Elevation. Depression. Elevation. Depression. Last time. Up. While you are taking up, inhale. While you are taking down, exhale. Okay. Now, this point is clear, everyone. Please switch on your videos. Others, those whose videos are raw. Okay. Now next. Have you seen Madhuri Dixit, the famous song Dhak Dhak Karne Laga? So to remember this is one of the best exercise for your scapula. कभी कभी क्या होता है, scapula भी stiff हो जाता है. 99% of the person का scapula weak होता है. When you go to the masseur, you will feel वो जब वो scapula का massage करता है, you will feel pain at that moment. So that means within inside of the scapula there is a stiffness. Okay, this is not good for your scapula, but it is good for pecs. जैसे मैंने start में कहा था, आपका बॉडी जो कर्व होता है, दैट इज नॉट ड्यू टू योर बैक, दैट इज ड्यू टू योर चेस्ट. ये पूरा स्टिफ होता है किस किस का. यू मेक अ नक्कल एंड यू डू दिस. इफ यू फील पेन, दैट मीन्स इट इज स्टिफ. आपको जोर से करना होगा. एंड व्हेन यू डू योरसेल्फ, तो इतना पेन नहीं फील होता है. कोई दूसरा करेगा तब भी फील होगा. ओके, someone might feel also. See here, I'm feeling the pain here, this part. So that means my I I rotate and sit this part. Here it is not paining for me, but here I have a little sensation of pain. Okay, that means my back is stiff. Okay, so most of the people who do lot of gym activity, if they don't do cool down exercises, their body gets stiff. Okay, now coming to back to the point. So धक धक करने लगा. Okay, protract, retract. मतलब take it forward, take it backward. I'll show in the side view. See, Madhuri Dixit used to do this way, na? Dhak ke dhak karne laga. So same way. Do this 10 times. Inhale and go back. Exhale and come forward. Okay. Now the mobility part is coming to an end. Few more things are pending. Then we'll end. Now, I said you need to bring a napkin. This is one of the good mobility exercise. Those who have a severe pain, because those who have a severe pain, they can't move their neck. Okay. So rotate a napkin like this, make this way, and pull like this first. Come on, everyone. Get ready with the napkin. I'll wait. If you want to have a sip of water, have a sip of water. Come on, let's start. Now, take your hand like this, cross your hand. Okay. Catch hold your hand towel. Okay. जो हाथ ऊपर है, it would be crossing at the jaw line. Okay. आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है. जो हाथ ऊपर है, suppose my right hand is up, so I would be twisting my neck to the right side. See, and this is going to the other direction, left to the down and right to the right side. This is for whom? Who have an injury. They are doing with the support. Okay. Take it to the jaw line. Jaw line से आपको करना है, not lower. So otherwise up. Okay. If you want, you can take it bit upward also. Keep the napkin at the lower part of the brain. Okay. Then do it. Okay. Now the other side. Earlier the right hand was up. Now the left hand. Okay. At the jaw line you need to pull. Okay. Come back. Now the same way to the backward. Keep the head. Keep the towel at the lower head and lean backward with the support. This should be done by whom? Those who have a pain. You are doing it with the support. Come back. Now, if you notice, we did right, left, and backward. Why we are not doing forward? Because जिसका भी neck pain रहेगा, forward bend उन्हें बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. Okay? So we are not doing the forward bend. You got clear with the napkin? Napkin part is clear? Okay? Now, we are coming to the last two mobility. Okay? Now sitting. Everyone knows infinity sign? Give me thumbs up, everyone, so I can see you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amma, you don't know how to do infinite, infinity sign? Okay. आपको 8 number पता है 8? How does the 8 look? You tilt it to the sides. तो आपको slanting 8 बनाना है with your nose. How? You'll sit upright. You'll simply make 8 with your nose. Make a bigger 8, so that your range of motion improves. Now go reverse. Okay. Now the other part is stretching the neck to the side. How we do? There are two options. Take take the if you are going to the left, the right hand will be going to the back side. Or you can sit on the right hand. Okay? Sit on the right hand and go towards the right side and stretch that part. The entire trapezius muscle should get stretched. You might feel pain also. I'm feeling pain at my right side. I have a trouble at my right trapezius muscle near the posterior deltoid. मतलब मेरे shoulder के पीछे थोड़ा pain है. So I can feel the pain. So these are all advanced stresses. Whenever you do advanced stresses, आपका अंदर का जो भी pain रहेगा वो बाहर आता है. Okay. Slowly come back. Now go to the other side. See now here I'm not feeling any pain because I have an injury at my shoulder. अब आपका वो traps muscle जो बड़ा muscle था, it is connect to the shoulder. That's why it was paining. Now here I have no pain at all. Okay. Till now this point is clear. What all things we did side to side, up and down. We did rotation, chin tuck करके किया side. Okay. Then isometric movement किया. Okay. Then थोड़ा बहुत stretches किया. Now मैंने कहा था नेक मसल को अगर स्ट्रेंथन करना है आपको शोल्डर और बैक भी थोड़ा स्ट्रेंथन करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now you are already sitting in the chair or cross leg position. So this is a yoga chair. For me, it becomes very easier. I simply sit in the opposite direction and I'll be twisting the back. See, I'll be twisting the back. If you have a chair, you can do it in a cross way also. I'll show it. So simply do this. Your entire back muscle should get stretched, entire vertebral column. The same way with the other side. There are some person who cannot twist also. Those who have a over overweight situation, they might be not be able to do it properly. उनको ट्विस्ट फील ही नहीं होता होगा. Okay. Now next. You got this point clear? Should I sit and show it to you how to do it in a cross leg position? Give me thumbs up or thumbs down. If you want I to show, thumbs up. Okay. I'll quickly show it to you. Okay. You should be sitting in Ardha Padmasana or cross leg or Padmasana. Okay. This is the full Padmasana. Right, left hand to the right knee, right hand backside and twist with the strength of your left hand. Do not bend your elbow. And you hold for 10 seconds or 20 seconds. The same way you would be doing to the other side. Right hand on your left knee, twist with the strength of your right hand. Okay. Now, the last and final part. In sitting posture, you need to do cow and cat pose. How you would be doing? You cup your knee, and lean backward, tucking your chin to the chest. You hold this, and you come forward, and you go up. Do this 5 time movement. This is sitting cow and cat pose. Come on, everyone. Start doing it. This you can while sitting on the chair. Also, you can do this. तो आपको नेक मसल स्ट्रेंथन करना है तो आपको बैक भी स्ट्रेंथन करना पड़ेगा. This might pain also. Someone might feel pain also. Now relax. Okay. Now next. Now adjust your camera. Stand up, everyone. We are starting with the asanas. So the mobility part is done. Okay. The first. See, अगर आपको neck pain है, you should be resting it. If you are doing it, do as per your own capacity. You only know how much the pain it is. The first asana is standing forward bend. Okay. Simply place both the hands on your thigh, on your groin. Come on, stand up, everyone. Slowly and gradually start sliding your hands. Go towards your feet and relax your neck muscle. You may bend your knee. We are not doing Hasta Padasana or forward bend. We are simply relaxing our head and upper back. You may bend your knee. Okay. Be there, be there, be there. Hold it. Keep breathing. Breathe it for 5 to 10 times. Inhale, exhale, count as 1. जो भी कैच रहेगा वो स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली निकलता जाएगा. Now to come back up very slowly and gradually, take the support of your hand, come up very slowly and gradually. Don't directly go up and come up. This point is clear. This is not Hasta Padasana. Why we are doing is हम upper back को relax करने के लिए कर रहे हैं. Okay. Now next two asana is favorite of most of the yoga student, those who are doing it. Okay. But this is not easy. Okay. Again, I'm repeating, to strengthen the neck muscle, you have to strengthen the shoulder and your traps muscles. Okay. Now I'm adjusting my camera again. So the next asana is downward facing dog. Okay. Everyone follow me. Okay. Come to in box pose. Come to in box pose. Comfortable distance between your legs and your hands. Come on, everyone. Let me see everyone is doing or not. Yeah. If you have an injury with your lower back and your knee, please avoid doing this. Okay. If you are having hypertension also, avoid doing this. Okay. Now slowly and gradually what we'll be doing, we will be straightening our knee and taking the hips as high as possible. We would be stretching our, mostly the focus would be on this part. Okay, you may bend your knee because we are not doing for the legs, we are doing for the upper torso. Hold as per your capacity, say 5 to 10 breaths. Slowly and gradually keep your knee down very slowly and gently and relax. Sit in Vajrasana and relax for a while. We'll do one more round where I'll be checking your posture. Jayashil, please switch on your video. Hemant, please switch on your video. Madhav, please switch on your video. Let me check whether you are doing it perfectly or not. Come on, everyone, go to the second round. I'll be just checking. Jyoti doing superb. Shilpa, focus on your upper torso, bend your knee. We are not focusing on leg, we are focusing on upper torso. Perfect. Most of the people are doing perfectly. Shilpa, you are not focusing on upper torso. See, look at me again. So this is box pose. Okay. See, generally this downward dog position is specifically for your glutes, your hamstring, and your calf muscle. But it also at the same time it also stretches this part, the traps, the neck. Okay. So if we bend our knee, so the entire pressure would come on the upper torso. Come to box pose. Simply make your knee straight, leg straight, then bend your knee and simply give pressure. Try to pull your hips as high as possible. You got it? Come on, show it again. Jeshil, can you also show it to me? I didn't see you. Perfect. Much better, Shilpa. Much better. Harish, more pressure on upper torso. Perfect. Relax. Relax, everyone. Okay. So this was what? Downward dog position. Now, immediately we have to do upward dog position. How to do it? Simply lie down on your abdomen, hands beside, legs are joined. Always make sure your legs are joined. Hands beside your chest. Keep your chin down. Simply make your elbow straight. See, I'm not doing anything. I'm giving pressure on my palms and making my elbow straight. And I bend backward. I give pressure to the neck. And even my abdomen get a good stretch in this. This has a overall benefit. Elbow straight. Give a backward bend. Superb. Mr. Shah, more backward bend. Amar, perfect. Now slowly and gradually give pressure on your palms. Come down. Relax for a while. We'll do one more round. So this create pressure on your lower back, but we need to focus on the neck muscle. Come on, again one more round. Chin on the floor, hands beside your chest. Slowly and gradually pressure on the palms. Try to make the elbow straight and look up. Make sure your legs are joined. The more the legs are joined, more pressure on your vertebral column. Breathe slowly and gradually come down. So this was upward facing dog. Give me thumbs up till here the point are clear. Any doubt you have, please let me know. Okay. Now the same way like a downward dog position, there is a similar asana known as cobra pose. That is Bhujangasana. But here we would be doing with the support of the elbow. Why we are doing with the support of the elbow? We are not focusing on the back. We are focusing on the neck muscle. That's why we are doing with the bend knee, supported things. You got this point clear? Okay, how to do it? Legs join, palms near the forehead. Brushing your nose, chin on the floor. Simply take the support of the elbow, adjust your elbow. From your shoulder till elbow should be 90 degrees. Okay? And bend backward. Look at the ceiling. Okay? So that the pressure is created at the neck muscle. Aha. I feel little bit pressure at my C2. C2 is the second bone of the vertebral column of the neck. I can feel the pressure. Okay? Then slowly and gradually slide your hands down and keep your chin down. Come on, do it, everyone. अगर आप elbow का support लोगे, you will feel pressure on the neck. You can give more pressure on your neck muscle. Very good. Come down. Come down. Okay. Now the next asana is similar to cobra pose. It is supported cobra pose. Okay. It is similar to cobra pose. It is known as supported cobra pose. It is Salamba Kokilasana. Okay. How we do? We are in a cobra pose. We simply, what we'll be doing? We're simply joining the elbow. Elbow would be on the floor, and we would be touching the chin, placing the chin on the palms. In cobra pose, we simply one by one, right hand, left hand. Relax your head. Now you need to completely relax, as if आपको कुछ sensation नहीं हो रहा है neck पे. Without any conscious support, you simply relax your chin. मतलब पूरा completely relax कर देना है. Okay, so that there is a more pressure created at your neck muscle. This point is clear, everyone. I'll show it to you. I'll go to cobra pose, right hand, left hand. Then I completely relax. It creates more pressure on your mid part of your neck. You got it? Perfect. Join your legs. Join your legs. Samir. Perfect. Aarti is doing perfect. Jessil is doing perfect. Amar is doing perfect. Very good. Now come back and relax. Come back and relax. Okay. Till now, this point is clear. Have a sip of water. Come on, everyone. Till here, the points are clear, everyone. Any doubt you have, please let me know. Okay. The next asana, those who have a frozen shoulder, it is good majorly for them. As I said, आपको अगर neck को strengthen करना है, आपको shoulder को strengthen करना पड़ेगा और आपको traps muscle को, जो bigger muscle था, जो trap से निकल के thoracic part तक जा रहा था, आपको उसको भी stretch करना होता है अगर आपको neck muscle का mobilize करना है. This point is clear. So next asana is good for frozen shoulder, but it is also good for the neck also. It is known as lizard pose. Okay, it is known as lizard pose. It is similar to cobra pose only. It is just we are adjusting our hands. We would be making our hands 90 degree from shoulder to the elbow 90 degree, from elbow to palms 90 degree. I'll adjust my camera. Wait. You all can see me? Okay, perfect. It is similar to cobra pose only. Okay, we lie down. We simply keep our hands beside our shoulder, in a shoulder length. Okay, what we do, we give pressure on our palm. If you notice, see, my legs are always joined. Huh? अगर legs आप widen कर दोगे ना तो pressure नहीं आएगा. Legs joined रहेगा तो ज़्यादा pressure आएगा. Okay, simply raise your back. Simply raise your upper torso. Now look at my hands. It's a perpendicular 90 degree from the shoulder to the elbow, elbow to the palms. It is 90 degree. So this is lizard pose. It creates pressure on your scapula and your shoulder and your traps muscles. Is this point clear, everyone? Come on, show it to me. Amar, hands little wide, hands little wide. Hands 90 degree. Focus on 90 degree angle. Aarti is superb. Jaisil, bit down. थोड़ा नीचे जाइए, Jaisil. Yeah, much better. Shilpa doing perfect. I can't see Samir and Ridan. Perfect. Perfect. Legs join. Everyone, legs join. Yes. Now relax. Relax. You got this point here? Lizard pose. Okay. Now few asanas are pending. Okay. Now it's a lying down asana. So lie down on your back. Okay. It is basically for your neck only. The next asana is specifically for your neck. When you lie down, get into one side and lie down. If you notice, there is a gap within your neck. You can pass your hands within below your neck. So there is a gap. Now what we would be doing, we would be tucking the chin. अगर आप chin tuck करोगे, the gap will reduce. Okay. So you have to tuck in the chin and you need to hold. You'll feel like you are not able to breathe. Hold it for few seconds. Hold it as per your capacity. Then relax. You got this point clear? If you lie down, there are at one is your lower back. You can pass hand below your lower back and your neck. So what you need to do, you need to tuck in your chin. So the gap between your neck will reduce. So this will create a pressure on your neck. Come on, start doing it. So you'll feel like you are holding your breath. It's okay. Hold as per your capacity. If you are not able to feel it, simply lift your neck, make the neck straight and place it down on the floor. Very good. Relax. Relax. Now, be in a relaxed position only. The next asana, I won't be able to do it because of my bun. I won't be able to do it. So the next asana name is fish pose. Okay. Fish pose. Simply on lying down posture, you need to use your palm and you need to place the crown on the floor. I'll still show it, but my form won't be proper because of my. Simply initially bend the knee, hands, finger facing the shoulder. Can you see my hands? Can you see my hands? I'm simply placing the hands, fingers are placing my shoulder. Can you see this part? Okay. Now simply I'll raise my buttocks, I'll raise my head. I simply first keep my crown on the floor and then I relax. Then I relax my back, relax my leg. See, for me, it is very difficult of my Juda. Because of my bun, it becomes very difficult. Now, whoever doing this asana, they need to be very careful. It creates lot of pressure on your neck. This asana is specifically good for women. Why? Because it stretches the thyroid gland. It will secrete those who are having thyroid issue. It will slowly and gradually will improve. Okay, you got the point here, everyone. First, see, the main thing is that the form. See, I'll show. The Aarti is doing perfect. Aarti, I'm just spotting, adding the spotlight. Aarti, can you show it? Yeah. Now relax your head, relax your buttocks. Place your buttocks on the floor slowly. You need to place the buttocks on the floor. Basically, this is the fish pose, Matsyasana. Relax your head. Perfect. Now, slowly and gradually straighten your knee. Perfect. Can you see, everyone, can you see Aarti how she is doing? So this is the asana. It creates lot of pressure on your neck muscle. Aarti, slowly relax your head, pressure on your elbow. Now, can you unmute yourself and can you tell where is the pressure is created? Whether the asana was difficult, how you went.
Yeah, I went exactly how you said, and it was very good on the neck.
Neck muscle, it create pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you understood. For me, it is very difficult. Otherwise, what we have to do, I have to remove my dastar, remove my hairs, and I have to do it. Which I do during my Sirshasan. I do like that only. Okay. Come on, everyone, start doing it. Let me check. Those who want to do, this is a advanced asana. So do it as per your own pace. Shilpa, can you do it?
I have neck pain.
Okay, don't do it. Don't do it. Because this create tremendous pressure on your neck.
Yeah.
Perfect, Harish. Harish is doing. Jaisil, now slowly and gradually relax your knee. Harish, keep your buttocks down. Slowly and gradually. Slowly and gradually. First buttocks down, straighten the, then slowly straighten the knee. The crown should be on the floor. That is the ideal pose, posture. Or simply, you can do this. अगर आपको थोड़ा pressure चाहिए, you go at the corner of the bed and simply relax the neck backward. But वो इतना pressure नहीं create करेगा जितना ये कर रहा है. Okay. Now last asana for the day. There are many more asana for neck muscle and upper back to strengthen. This is the last asana. So we did lot of backward bend, lot of backward bend to relax. Otherwise, your back will hurt. So we have to do a complementary pose. We have to do any forward bend. So we would be doing one child pose and we would be holding for say 1 minute. Okay. You sit in Vajrasana. You simply place both the hands on the floor. You simply walk, walk, walk. You would be walking till such time your buttocks get raised. Where your buttocks get raised, you will halt and you relax your upper back. Okay. See, my body is my buttocks is getting raised here. So I'll relax myself here. I'll stretch my hands and I be here for 1 minute so that my complete backward bend get a good stretch. Come on, everyone, start doing it for 1 minute. I'll set the timer. Once everyone are ready, I'll set it. Come on. In three, come on, Samir, Vidhan. In 3, 2, 1, go. I've set the timer for 60 seconds. 40 seconds remaining. Keep breathing. Close your eyes. Focus on your neck muscle and upper back, your shoulder. 20 seconds remaining. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Sit in Vajrasana or cross leg position, whichever feels comfortable. So there are many other ways to mobilize your neck muscle, release the neck pain. One form is this. You can use a roller and massage it. The other is you can use a tennis ball, lie down, place it, and slowly do it. The soft tennis. Okay. There are foam rolling also. The foam rolling also helps a lot. Maybe in future we can keep it. And please follow Mumbai Roadrunner page on Facebook. It is a very good page which motivates people for their fitness activity. Various session they keep on Sundays, on weekdays also they keep. Please follow their pages. Okay. Please let me know. Do you have any doubt? Generally, I do Savasana after the session, but it's already late. So I'll end the session here. Please let me know if you have any doubt. And you need to strengthen it, you need to do mobility, you need to yoga, you need to do strength activity. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Come. Yeah, Jashil.
uh, after doing this child pose and you feel your head becomes very heavy, you know. For sometimes I have that vertigo problem also. Sometimes
Okay.
it occurs, but then it becomes very heavy. So should I
Okay. So now,
continue doing?
no, you can continue doing it. For the vertigo issue now, you have to do pranayam a lot. The pranayam activity, and you need to do this pranayam and the tratak. Have you heard about the tratak? We
I
light
have
a candle and we continuously look. At least you need to do 30 minutes concentration meditation with the candle. That will improve a lot. Earlier, I was having the same issue. I was having a motion sickness issue and vertigo issue. So
same.
same thing I think I did. So now I don't have any issue. Pranayam and Tratak activity improves a lot, because what happens in vertigo, the blood pressure is created behind your eyes, so indirectly it creates the pressure on your brain also. So that's why the issue comes. So you need to do a lot of focusing activity and pranayam. You got it?
Thank you.
Others, anyone have doubt? I'll share the video. The video would be shared on uh, on the Facebook page of Mumbai Road Runners. You can go and follow there. Okay, the video would be uploaded there. Anyone else have any issue? Any query? So there would be a lot of sessions, and I'll please request, please follow this page. This is an amazing page. If you are already following and you already know it. Shall I end the session? Come on. Have a nice day. Keep practicing. Practice make you perfect.